Enter the world of gaming like never before with the Asus ROG Phone 8 Pro. It's not just a phone, it's a ticket to a gaming paradise where every moment is an adventure. Packed with a lightning-fast processor, stunning visuals, and game-enhancing features, this device is a gamer's dream come true. Say hello to a whole new level of gaming excitement. Before we dive into the video, I'd like to ask you to subscribe to our channel. If you enjoy the content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay updated with more exciting videos like this in the future. Let's get started. Behold the spectacular display of the ROG Phone 8 Pro. Featuring a brand new 6.78 E6 AMOLED flexible panel, it supports adaptive refresh rates to save power. Opt for a max refresh rate of 165 Hz for seamless gaming, paired with a rapid 720 Hz touch sampling rate for lightning-quick responses. Experience brilliance even in direct sunlight with a boosted peak brightness of 2500 nits. Plus, revel in stunning visuals with Delta E1 color accuracy. The phone's reduced bezels achieve an impressive 94% display-to-body ratio, all protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 2 for added durability. The ROG Phone 8 Pro redefines mobile photography with its advanced tri-camera setup. Equipped with a 50MP IMX890 main camera and a 32MP telephoto camera featuring optical image stabilization, it effortlessly captures crystal clear images and distant objects, even in low light. The 13MP ultra-wide camera reduces lens distortion for stunning landscape shots, while the 32MP RGBW ultra-wide selfie camera ensures clean, noise-free images in low-light conditions. Enhanced by AI-driven computational photography, the phone introduces AI Object Sense for vivid, natural-looking results, Quick Shot for capturing instant moments, Light Trail Mode for breathtaking long-exposure shots, and Semantic Search for effortless photo searches using natural language queries. With features like the 6-axis hybrid gimbal stabilizer 3.0 and hyperclarity technology, the ROG Phone 8 Pro sets a new benchmark in mobile imaging. Introducing the ROG Phone 8 Pro A gaming marvel merged seamlessly with everyday sophistication. It's not just a gaming phone, it's a premium powerhouse. Fueled by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 mobile platform, it boasts unrivaled performance, backed by an enhanced thermal design. Experience gaming nirvana on the 6.78-inch Samsung AMOLED with LTPO technology, offering up to 2000 nits peak brightness. Unleash your inner photographer with the 6-axis hybrid gimbal stabilizer equipped camera, featuring a 3x telephoto lens. Effortlessly powered for both gaming and daily life, it's the epitome of gaming innovation in one remarkable device. The ROG Phone 8 Pro flaunts a signature monster battery and a robust 65-watt hypercharge USB PD charger, complemented by an additional 15-watt wireless charging for enhanced travel convenience. Ideal for power users indulging in heavy gaming, social media scrolling, or immersive movie streaming, it's a versatile companion. Packed with a 5500 mAh high-capacity battery, this powerhouse charges from 0 to 100% in a mere 39 minutes using hypercharge technology. Dive into 3.4 hours of heavy gaming, enjoy over 23 hours of video streaming, or engage in 17 hours of continuous IG scrolling. The ROG Phone 8 Pro ensures extended use, keeping up with your dynamic lifestyle. Thanks for exploring the ROG Phone 8 Pro with us. Its remarkable battery endurance and rapid charging capabilities make it an unbeatable choice for both gamers and multitaskers. Don't miss out on more tech insights. Subscribe for future updates. Until next time, keep gaming and stay charged.